Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel today. I'm Kevin and today we're about to our philosophy topic. So our topic today we'll be talking about the truth. So in our last topic we only talked about the argument made from reason or the inductive reasoning. But today we will go on another topic that focus on the words or language. So today we will figure out the problem with truth in human language. So let's take an example here for a better explanation. There is two people looking at a sentence. The sentence say, this sentence is false, which means it's not true. So two guys looking at it, and you guys can see when something called itself true or false. Something called itself false. So that means you, if this thing is true, so that thing is also false. But if that thing is not true, which means the sentence is false. So that means the sentence or the word on the wall, this sentence is false, is true. So maybe it will be a little bit of not understand, misunderstand like this. So you guys can see when something right, when someone say I am lying, so if they telling the truth that they are lying, so they are not telling the truth because they are lying. But if they are not lying, so the word they are lying is not true. That means if they say I am lying, but the truth is the things they say is not lying. So according to the sentence before they say what they want to say, that means the words I am lying is going to prove that they are lying, because after they say they are lying, they say something is true. So after all, they still lying. But if they are really lying when they say I am lying, so that means the things after they say I am lying is true. But after all, they are still lying because the word they say they are lying already being true, already being false. Okay. So that's how the sentence or the language works. And as in these examples, we could see that when someone write this sentence is false. So as we see, if it's true, then the sentence is false. But if the sentence is not true, which means it's false, so the word this sentence is false is true. So you guys can see explaining language by language is really hard, and it's really to misunderstand and also hard to understand when you just try to make it logically in language. But if we use something to but like another object to point out or being the things that go into define whether that things or that object is true or not. For example, there is a second sentence after the first sentence. Say the first sentence isn't true, which means the first sentence is false. So that means if the first sentence is really telling the truth, which means it say this sentence is false. So that means the second sentence say that the first sentence is false, is true, which means that the second sentence is true and the first sentence is also true. Why? Because the second sentence says the first sentence is not true and the first sentence say that is false itself. So both are true. But if the second sentence is not true, which means it's false, so that means the first sentence have to be true. For example, if the second sentence says the first sentence isn't true, but we know that it's lying, so that means the first sentence that's saying this is false is also true but also false. Why? Because the sentence is true, which means that what it says is true. But what the first sentence says, it says that it's false. So that means the first sentence also true and false at the same time. You guys can see that something cannot be true and false as like at the same time, right? So this is just an open topic for you guys, for us to talk more detail into language in our next week. So it's really quick, and also I'll give you guys a better like the better way for you guys to understand how to define something. Of course, it's just by my opinion, not by what I learned. So you guys can see the meaning of language or a sentence have two parts. The first one, that the meaning of the sentence, and the second part is the information that the sentence going to let us see or want us to see. There is two parts, and those things are two different things. And if we split the sentence of language into two parts like this, we could see that maybe if we do it that way, we could go to make one of it true and the others false. For example, for this word, this sentence is false. So if the meaning of the sentence is true, which means that the sentence is telling the truth, so the information, which means the second part of the sentence or the second part of the word, saying that this sentence is false. So which means the information that the sentence says that is false, but the real meaning or the meaning of the sentence is true. So it's still hard to explain for you guys to understand, but it's like just like that. The real quality, the real meaning that the sentence is true itself, but the information that the writer wants us to see or the writer sent to us, that the things he write is false. So that's how we're doing it. Like we split the sentence into two parts and then going to give one of the part the false or the others the truth, and then we're going to make sense for each other. Of course, it's not make exactly sense because like it's still having something to connect with each other between two parts. So going to split the sentence or split the meaning of the sentence like that will make you guys understand it better, not helping you guys to find the exactly answer. Okay, so now it's all for my video today. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you guys on my next video. And now it's time to say goodbye then. See ya.